we have the magic coin case. I'm going to take this penny, put it in the case, and do something like this. Make it simply disappear. Now, I'm going to take this dime. Take this dime, put it in the magic coin case just like this, and we're going to do something else. We're going to call it a transformation. Ta-da! The dime became the penny. And now, I'm going to do something even more amazing. I'm going to take this penny and we're going to make more money out of it. Let's see what we can do. So I'll take the penny and let's grow it to the dime. Hello. Let's put the dime right over there. Put the case like this. Put it right in there. Boom. Oh, it's the penny again. Well, now we have 11 cents. Not so bad. However, that's not enough. I think we need more. Let's do this one more time. And now we have the quarter. Magic coin case explanation. Here we have the coin case, and what you just saw used 3 different coins. Now, to just make something disappear, 1 coin is plenty enough. You put it in the case, and when you put it in the case, and you put the case in one end, it'll make the coin disappear. The coin's actually now inside still here, but a different chamber. Now, to make something transform, you take a second coin and you put it in the case. What you need to do is you need to rotate the case around like this and put it in the case on the other end, which then automatically transforms 1 coin into the other. The third part of this trick is making something grow. Now, what I used was the quarter that I had actually this whole time in my hand, palmed like this. Palming is basically hiding something so that nobody else can see it. So when I took the penny out of the case and I rotated the case around, I put my hand over the case and slipped the quarter into that slot. You didn't see it because I had my hand like this covering the hole. So when I put it into the case, I slide it in and the quarter disappears, bringing back the dime. Now I take the dime out. I have to rotate the case around again. Last time to make the quarter reappear. And that's how you do the more complicated version of this trick.